Hi guys, welcome to Tech Successors. Today agenda is like we have an interview question where there's a scenario based question in a strings. So this is a scenario in based question. So the original string is like we need to extract the character from the uh, uh, from the given string. So basically our string is like this. So so see, as per seeing the question, what is the output of this question? See, after by seeing itself, I can see that my output like after the as per the question, see, after the last dot in the below text, I should get the last four characters or other characters. So whatever characters are there after the last dot, I need all the characters. See it here, right? After the dot, there is A B C D, and for this I had D E F, and for this I have X Y Z A. So this is the normal scenario. So how we can do in this in the automation anywhere is like, so I will let me show you. So first of all, we need to create a bot. Create a bot. Let me name the bot as a. So what we are doing, we are just getting the last characters, right? So extract the characters. So the input may be whatever the input it is. We need to get the last characters after the dot. So basically, we need to in automation anywhere we have few comments. So we can directly give assign the variable direct. You can use the directly string assign and give the value at the string assign itself, and we can process it. But at here our requirement is whatever the text. So we need to like it may be random text also, right? So we need to give the prompt. So we need to go to the prompt package. So from the prompt package, we have for value it here we need to give the name of the window caption. So what we are doing, so we are giving the input message. So input the input. This is the input one. And what kind of message we need to give? We are typing the string. So enter the required string. Okay. I am assigning to a variable. So we can assign. I have directly. I'm just assigning to a sample string right now. Okay. So basically what this does, right? So whenever I try to run it, so whenever I need to give any value, it will directly give. So let me test this one and I'll give. See, this is the input window pop-up this came. So we are trying to enter the string right now. So this is the enter. Our bot is successfully at here. So now our agenda is what is our agenda? So we need to enter. We need to get the dot of this particular string. We need to get this characters. What are the characters after the dot? We need to get it. So we have a process in strings. We have string reverse, right? So basically, what is our source string at here? We have given a sample string at here. So when we give a sample string, and we store the output in the sample string itself. So what happens? I'll just give message box for your understanding. Sample string answer. But here, whatever the value is there at here, right, it will entirely change to reverse. So we will just enter the value at here. So our output will be the reverse. C, B, C, B, A. So everything will be in the reverse condition. Okay. So right now I have given seconds, right? So that is the reason I'm not able to see. So I will also, right now what happened, our value is changed to reverse. So enter value will be also like this here itself for you. So step 1, input the string, right? Like the next step 2, we need to reverse. So after reversing the string, what happens in reversing the string? For example, the input string is this one. After reversing, right? Let's keep it in the brackets for better understanding. Reversing how it will come D C D A dot F D S A dot Y T R E W Q. So this is the reverse string, we'll get it, right? After this, what we can do, what I will do. So we need the, as per a question, we need to get the value of the last dot. So our last dot is this one, right? As per the input. So that is the reason I will use before command in our string to get the value of our required value. So what is our source string at here? Sample string. Sample string. Insert. So what we need up before the dot, because our reverse string is what? This is the reverse string. So we need the before the dot value. So I'm getting that before value. So before dot, okay, I'm getting the math case. I'm assigning to sample string, okay, and also giving a message box for understanding, and I'll run the part. See, this is the reverse string as expected. What is the reverse, right? So later, see what I said. We need the last 4 digits. Like as per our input, we have for the dot we have 4 digits, 4 characters. So all the characters we got it, right? So now our requirement is what we need last 4 digits. So as per our requirement, we have captured these 4 characters. So we just need to reverse it again so that all input will get it. So let's use the reverse command again. Just copy the paste on it here. What I'm doing, I'm just reversing the string. See, now you will get. You just need to enter the message. This is the reverse of the first string, and after the before, we have got the CBA, and again we got a ABCD. Completed, right? So this is our requirement. So what if we have given the different kind of scenarios, right? So I will give this one test the bot. So what if we have a number of dots? So that is also one of the scenarios. So we just need to test it. Let's test. Our output should be X, Y, Z, A. See, after reversing, we got X, Y, Z, A, right? In reverse. Right now, again, what should come? We need to get only the particular 4-digit value. We need to get the last 4 characters of the before dot. Last characters of the before dot. See, we got X, Y, Z, A. We need to reverse this one for getting the output, our required output. We got it? X, Y, Z, A. So this is the one of the interview questions right now. So for more videos, please follow Tech Successors. Thank you.